Okay, in the last video, we have seen that we have implemented a queue using function. First, I showed simply using a function without any argument. Okay, yes, and next, what we have done is that we have taken an argument, that is, we have taken the array, okay, and we have passed the array. What we have done is nothing but we have passed actually the name of the array, okay, and then we have implemented. But if you see, even though the names are different, okay, again, if you see, it is representing this. Because the reason is that when we are passing but the address of we are passing the name of the queue, this is nothing but the address of the queue, okay, and we are using this particular name which actually aligns, which represent nothing but this itself, okay, this particular array itself, okay. As a result, we can see the what you we can see that all the insertion and deletion is happening in this particular queue itself, right? Now the thing is, let me tell you one thing, okay. Okay, now what I will do is that I was just simply using this global variable, right? That int front and rear, right? Now I will not going to use this. So let me cut this, okay, right? And again, I put it here itself. Yes, I put it here itself. Now what I will going to do, I will pass the address of this. I will pass the address of both the front and the rear, okay, yes, and also we can pass the pass the value, like what is the size of this particular element that is there in the array also, that also we can do, but I'm not going to make it very complicated, okay. So just let me only focus on passing the address of the front and rear, okay. So if I pass the address, means we are all what we are using is nothing but the pointer itself. So let me say this is a star, okay, ft for front, okay, and star, okay, uh, is for rear. But for when you are actually inserting, we don't require the uh, front part, so only the rear, no? Re, okay, and for dq we need the front, so uh, comma int star ft, okay, and for display I need both, so int star ft, okay, and int star re, okay, right. And in this function call, I simply here pass the address of rear, okay. Here I will pass the address of I front, okay, yes, and in display I will pass the address of both, I rear, okay, and address of I front, okay, right. Please understand, if you are not very clear with function, we are not clear with you know with the arguments passing the call by value, call by reference pointer, then this particular video will become difficult for you to understand. So I will suggest that you go through my videos of pointers, okay, arrays, functions, and all these things, also queue, then it will be easier for you to understand, right? So now I'm inserting, so now my this is int, okay, star, what I have written, re, right? Okay, so now what I will do here, this will be nothing but star, okay, why it is not going, okay, so this will be star re equal to, okay, equal to star re plus 1, right? Star, okay, yes, and yes, I need this value, so I will take star, okay, re, okay, equal to now, yes, fine, okay, then comma int star ft, okay, okay, star ft, yes. Now I will here will write, okay, star ft equal to star ft plus 1, because I'm just accessing the content and I'm just what is I'm adding the content, right? So that I can do using this indirection operator, star, okay. So now aq is equal to I means star ft, okay, star ft, Okay, great. Now here I will just change it to int star re comma int star ft. Okay, and here it will be star ft plus 1, and this will be star re. Okay, right, and I. Okay, yes. So I'm passing the, okay, the front and the rear as an address, okay, as a reference, and then I'm manipulating it, okay, for the NQ part, for the DQ part, and this. So my function declared is like that. I'm passing this array itself, okay, and passing the rear because I want to NQ it, insert the element. Then for DQ I'm array, okay, and the front, yes, and to display because I need both the front and the rear. Yes, let me save and let me compile. Okay, so let me see whether it's working or not. So now for, first I put 2, whether it is saying queue is empty, correct. Display queue is empty, fine. So now I will put 1. So let me insert 12. Okay, fine. NQ, let me answer 23. Okay, now let me see if I display it should give 12 and 23. Yes, it is giving me 12 and 23, right? So let me insert one more. Okay, let I insert 34. Okay, let me display. So I got it, 12, 12, 23, 34, right? Okay, let me pop it out. So sorry, let me delete it. So 12 will be deleted. Very nice. So let me display. It should come 23 and 34. Yes, it is coming. Okay, so let me again delete it. So element is 23 deleted. Let me again delete. Okay, 34 is deleted. Now it should give me the queue is empty. Okay, so let me delete. It will give me queue is empty. I want to display, it will give me queue is empty. So this is working very fine, right? Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, I have passed the array, right? And I have what? Passed the address of the rear. I have passed the address of front for the DQ. Okay, and for display I have passed the front also and rear also. Okay, yes. So once you pass it, the address, so we know how to represent it by pointer itself. So I represent this RE as a pointer, FT as a pointer. Okay, and then what I have done here. Okay, so previously we have to I written, right, I f front equal I front plus 1, right? Now this ft is nothing a pointer pointing to whom? Pointing to I front. Okay, so now if I write star or ft, then it will give me the nothing but the content. So the content has been incremented by 1, and then star ft, it will give me the content, that is nothing but 0 1, whatever value it is. Okay, and then the element, okay, deleted will stored in down and we have displayed it, right? Similarly, if you want to insert, I'm asked the user to do it. Okay, then again star re, okay, star e plus 1, the content of the read has been incremented. Okay, and then whatever value we are having, getting it, we are inserting the now. So this is one of the most what you say, simple way in order to implement a key using function and pointers, or anyway we can also say that implementing a queue using a function where you are using call by reference itself, right? So I hope it is clear. So let me again tell you. So this is how I'm declaring the function. Okay. So I have the array itself, and then I'm I creating a pointer. Okay. Yes. So call by reference itself. So for NQ I only need the rear pointer. For DQ I require the front pointer, and for the display I require both the rear and front. So in the definition itself, simply, right? Okay. The same way, just here you have to note that star re is going to star e plus 1 and star re of a of q, because that is the array we are passing out. Okay, so then we are inserting it in here. Okay, we are deleting it. The concepts are same, right? Only we are doing manipulating within the pointer itself and with the array that we are passing it, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope this is clear, the entire concept of queue. Okay, implementing using a function and pointers, or we can say call by reference. Thank you.